Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video series on Android app development. So guys, this will be my another video series on broadcast receivers. Alright guys, so in this video series I will upload 10 to 15 videos on the topic of broadcast receiver. Okay, so first of all, as you know, this is the introductory video. So in this video I will just tell you about what are broadcast receivers, how we can use them in our Android application or in Android Studio. Alright, and the if we talk about this series, okay, so in this series I will teach you a lot of topics of broadcast receivers. Okay, I will upload a video on how to check if the battery level is low. Okay, and also I will upload a video on how to check if the Wi-Fi is enabled or disabled in your Android application. Okay, using broadcast receivers, and also I will teach you how to use the broadcast receiver to listen to the incoming SMS and also the incoming uh, calls. All right, and also I will upload a video, and that will be the part 2 of this video series about how to check if the charger is connected or disconnected. All right, similarly I will also upload a lot of more videos. So if you have not already subscribed to my channel, I request you I all please subscribe. All right, so basically, let me show you what are broadcast receiver. Okay, so basically, you have an application. Okay, and for example, if you want to display all the messages in your Android application from your default messaging app, okay, then you need to use a broadcast receiver. What that broadcast receiver will do is it will receive the broadcast, I mean it will receive the information from the default messaging app, and also it will send a signal that we want all the messages from that app. Okay, then that app will send the information or broadcast to our broadcast receiver class. All right, so this is the way, and we can do that. I mean, we can use the broadcast receiver in two ways. First of all, we can use the manifest declared receivers and context registered receivers. Okay, so basically we can use the broadcast receiver in our in our manifest file. Okay, so here we need to initialize them. For example, we can say here receiver. Okay, and just need to provide the class of the receiver. So I will teach you the both ways. Okay, and also I will tell you the pros and cons of using these two ways. All right, so first of all, let me show you how to create a broadcast receiver. Okay, so the first tool is you need to create a new class. Okay, new Java class, and you can name your broadcast receiver as my broadcast. Okay, simple. And what we are going to do here is, okay, and we just need to extend it with broadcast receiver class. All right, and what we are going to do is we need to override the method called onReceive. Here we have the method onReceive. Whenever this class object will be created, this onReceive method will be called. Okay, and now what we can do, we can here check, we have this context and the intent. Okay, this intent will tell us what our application wants to receive the information. All right, so basically, and to let's say, okay, so let's print a message here. Sorry, context, and here we say broadcast receiver is running. All right, that is it. We have it, but we need to initialize it. So for first of all, I will tell you how to write code for here in the Android manifest file. So here we can say receiver and my broadcast receiver. All right, and within that we need an intent filter. Okay, that intent filter will we will specify to and it will contain that what information we want from that particular application. Okay, I mean what we are what we want to receive. All right, so in case of if we want to receive an SMS, okay, in our application. So what we can do, we need to use their intent filter. Okay, that is intent filter. And here what we can do, we have to use the action, and name will be the Android dot provider telephony dot SMS received. All right, guys. So this intent filter will be used to receive the particular broadcast. Okay, so that is it. If now we just need to initialize that my broadcast class, so for that we can here say public void start broadcast receiver. All right, and here we can say my broadcast, we are new my broadcast, and after that we can say that register receiver. Okay, and here we can send the BR, and it's saying me an error. Okay, so basically here we need to use the intent filter class here. All right, so we can remove that. Let me show you. Okay, we just need, let's just copy that, and we just need to go here, and now what we can do, we can say intent filter equals to new intent filter. All right, and after that we just need to pass information here. All right, and we just need to call register receiver, and first of all the argument will be BR and intent filter. All right, that is it. This is the way of how we can initialize our broadcast receiver. Okay, guys, in my next video, I will teach you how to receive the, how to check if the charger is connected or disconnected. Okay, if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.